Hey guys, what's going on? Myself a new lighter. It's November 2nd, 2024. I've been on before, way back when my channel, but kind of walked around. I'm down here in the fall. It's St. Paul. It's a beautiful day for a walk. Let me get this jacket cleaned at Don's some stuff right here. We cleaned it. Don's leather off of Lake Street. I went to look for it today. The lady that they gave me a $120 check and they ruined it, but I know we'll get it fixed. I'm gonna walk around on a fall day, second day of November, 2024. I love hikes like this. I was telling you a long time ago. It's right off of 35 E and the Mighty Mo. Kind of trails back in here. So, anyways, you guys, hope you like the little rail fanning there. Comes out in July of 2025. But it's kind of cool down here. I was gonna do it yesterday, but went to Elk River, and it's a really cool place. Crosby Farms, right down from the XL. All kinds of walking area. And my wife said it would be pretty beautiful. I said, I said, it's gorgeous. I can tell. It's fall, beautiful. We had a little snow, as you saw. Pretty much gone. Bought some more cigars, and I bought a better lighter. And I figured, let's go for a walk. These things right here. You know, this weekend was out in the Wonder Hussey, and all our friends are having a big thing out there. So this comes on, you go look. It's November every year they have it out there. It'd be fun to go on, hang out with all the YouTubers, but that's too bad. Doing the garbage down there, but yeah, they have a big get together out there for people. It's a cool place. I figured, what the hell? Wasn't too busy at work today. So I like going on hikes. Like I said, the Oregon coast is the best place to go hiking. Over here, and see, this is follow trails. My sister lived out in Gresham. It was fun. We go down the scenic highway, and maybe it's a good luck walk. I was pulling we were at the VFW yesterday at Chanhassen. She put $10 out, and she goes, "Come on, big boy, let's play some somebody want to call it pull tabs." And second half pull, I won $100 plus 2, so I gave her obviously half. So it's kind of cool. I haven't won pull tabs in a long time. I don't play a lot of them, but no, maybe it's a magic rock. Who knows? Good luck. So you tell people burning some fire here, but that was kind of cool. I don't play a lot. I mean, we'll go there. I love that Chanhassen. If you're ever in town, they have the Monte Crisco, which I like. You guys see me make that thing. So yeah, I need to get this jacket clean. I had a guy at that very VFW yesterday. Kind of a random thing. You want to sell that jacket? I'm like, well, I got to get it clean, but I said, no. I said, you can find them. I just got lucky. Mine was $50. I was doing my NASCAR show one day, and it popped up, and I said, I bought it. Obviously, I've got my PayPal. That's gorgeous down. It's cool. Another adventure. So that's 35W up there. I think you can go under the bridge, and on the other side, the river's down big time. Good walking area down here. So yeah, that's probably over there. You could walk through over there somehow. But yeah, $100. You need to put $10 in. This is kind of strange. A game box? What the hell is this all about? I don't know what that's doing here. Oh, it must be a water monitor. Oh, I see. Little gang box. Had to rip it out here. It's kind of cool. So you can kind of walk, climb on rocks. Not my bad ankles. Yeah, I'm on the Action 4. Second day of November. Thanksgiving come up, elections coming up, so when I'm doing this in 2025, either it's a hunch or forked tongue. Who knows? We'll see what happens. I'm gonna vote Libertarian. That's really cool down in the fall. It's really cool down here, and also I've been down here when it snowed one time, years and years ago, before I was on YouTube with my brother. We came down here with the dogs, and it was cool. And this is the kind of stuff that's kind of the free to walk around and videotape. I know it's kind of lazy content, but gives you a chance to go out and do something. I've been out that one on Maplewood out there, Hidden Creek. That's cool as hell down there. I've been down there twice. Once regular time, once in the fall. So. Young lady coming my way. Look at that. A little quiet day to walk. Nice day for a walk, huh? She's got her little ski things and she's walking along. A lot of old growth stuff here. This was before many videos. The redwood trees are the coolest things to walk around on. They're that area. You see a redwood tree, sequoias, drive-through trees. Oh, those are really, really cool. Probably just run off. Cool. You imagine trying to rake up all these leaves right here? That'd be a bitch. There's not too many cars up there. The Hidden Falls I was at, the videos I think you guys saw back in the archives, there was a lot of cars down there. That's kind of cool area to walk down there too as well. The Mighty Mighty Mo is down big time. At Shepherd Road, you get here, you just get off on 5, follow it. There's an off-site parking area right there, and go down here to Crosby and right off of 35 Ian. If you're in the area, you know. Just a great day for a walk and a cigar. Gotta put the convertible back sooner or later. Someone was saying they're trying to get people to do live streams up and down, you know, to pay you more money. Yeah. Her name is Miss Vicky. She's a hater or whatever, and obsessed with. I was dick riding him last year. It's like, you're not gonna make any money. I mean, I make more money in my podcasting. I do this for fun. This is a fun time. Take you guys along on an adventure. But it is what it is. Making money on YouTube was easy. Everybody would do it. You heard me talk to Huss and other people. All the people I know ask for money all the time. It's all they ever do. Money, 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 money. So it's obviously not as easy as they think it is. The old days, not anymore. Look, he behind the camera. He's under 100,000. People like drama, drama, drama. You know. Anyways, guys. Round one kind of in the books, right? So keep on walking and following the trail. All right? See you in the next one.